Chapters 2 through 4 emphasize techniques to describe data. Chapter 5, we started to lay the foundation for statistical inference with the study of probability. Now, in this chapter, we begin our study of sampling as a tool to infer something about a population. In this chapter, we explain the importance of using a sample to learn about a population. We will describe the proper methods of selecting a sample, define and construct a sampling distribution of the sample mean, explain the central limit theorem, and use the central limit theorem to find probabilities of selecting possible sample means from a specified population. In learning something about a population, it is oftentimes not necessary to conduct a census or do a total inspection. In most situations, a sample would be enough to learn something about a population. The major reasons why we use a sample instead of a census include cost, time, and sometimes destruction of the item being studied may be required, and for practicality reasons. For instance, a sample of registered voters is necessary because of the prohibitive cost of contacting millions of voters before an election. Testing wheat for moisture content destroys the wheat, thus making a sample imperative. If the wine tasters tasted all the wine, none would be available for sale. It would be physically impossible for a few marine biologists to capture and tag all the seals in the ocean.